Is the math paper going to be difficult this year? Is the math paper going to be difficult this year? I know this question must be crossed from your mind as well, because due to some new rules and pattern that is imposed by CBSE, the student is predicting that the question paper is going to be difficult in board exam 2026 of maths. Let me tell you honestly, if you analyze, if you go through the previous past 5 to 10 years question paper of maths, you will find that the overall pattern level of the question paper is similar every year. But this year, you know, due to some competency question based will be there. This new thing is introduced by the CBSE this year. Competency based question, 45 to 50% question will be there. So what does it mean by competency based question, my dear? The competency based question, it means that the question will be there that required your critical thinking. The question will be linked to your day-to-day life. The question will be from your everyday life, your practical life, but the formula and the concept will be similar. Yes, same formula will be used over there from maths, but you have to increase your critical thinking ability. Your observation power should be strong, my dear, to encounter such questions. So competency based question, it doesn't mean the question will be from out of the syllabus. The question will be very lengthy and tough. No, the question will be there, case study based question from your everyday day-to life. So let's reveal this real truth. You might be thinking, is the math paper is going to be difficult this year in board exam 2026? So let's reveal this truth. So my dear, if I talk about why the people is removing here and there, the question is going to be difficult of maths. Difficult means, difficult doesn't mean tough questions. Difficult means conceptual questions, concepts, my dear. So math board paper is rarely conceptual tough, my dear. So I've already told you, just go and analyze the previous past few years question paper. So lengthy, due to lengthy, step oriented, time pressing, and so if you are waiting for easy questions, you are already in danger, my dear. The question will be there conceptual, that may require your critical thinking, your observation power. How much you can observe, how depth you can go inside the question, right, my dear? So your conceptual power should be strong to do the question this year in board exam, my dear. So it doesn't mean the question is tough. It's all about concept, my dear. Okay, so my dear, this is the truth. Truth number 2, NCERT decides the level, my dear. If you are pro in NCERT, if you have solved each and every question of NCERT, including examples, no one can beat you. We cannot negotiate with NCERT. NCERT is one of the most powerful book, I can say, my dear. So first, go and solve NCERT question fully, complete, my dear, including examples, and try to find out the case study based question. Solve 100 and 500 case study based question, my dear, if you want to get good marks this year in board exam in maths, right? So first, we must give priority to the NCERT. NCERT decides the level. 90 to 95% questions come directly from NCERT, my dear. You can't believe this, but it happens every year. You can ask from any topper. They will tell you the truth, my dear. NCERT, we cannot negotiate with NCERT. Directly question comes from NCERT, my dear, including examples. I have already told you, example, exercises, and case study format. Okay. Multiple guidebooks, confusion. What you guys used to do, you guys used to switch from this book to this book, from this website to this website. Why, my dear? Come on, stick with NCERT, stick with PYQs, solve, case study based question. Why you are switching frequently from this book to this book, my dear? This will lead you confusion, my dear. You will be confused. Your performance, your quality will be declined. Your graph will be declined, my dear. Trust me. So don't switch from this book to this book, from that website to that resource. Come on, stop this. Different multiple guidebooks is confusion. Multiple guidebooks, it is confusion. You can see here. This will lead to confusing. Multiple guidebooks is confusion, my dear. Don't do this. NCERT clarity will give you the marks. Yes, this is my personal experience. NCERT clarity will give you the marks. If you have done NCERT properly, the paper will feel familiar, no difficult. Trust me, my dear. If you do question, each and every question, including example from real numbers to probability, your confidence will be on peak. Trust me, my dear. And you are going to conquer it. Yes, my dear. You will be succeeded if you do NCERT properly. Don't compromise with NCERT and don't negotiate with NCERT. Moving to truth number 3, why students find paper hard. Why you guys feel paper hard? If you get the question paper and you start thinking, oh my God, the paper is so difficult, I cannot do this question. How I can do this question? I don't know the formula. Come on, my dear. The paper becomes difficult only when student, yes, of course, only when students skip steps. If you're skipping the steps in present time, you're not going to perform well in a board exam. If you are thinking, yeah, I will follow the steps directly in exam, whenever I'll be giving my board exam directly. If you are skipping these steps here while practicing, while you are preparing for board exam, you cannot perform well directly in board exam. No, you cannot. You haven't that experience. So experience everything here so that you can analyze your mistakes, your challenges, your difficulty level, what kind of problem you are facing in presently, so that you guys can rectify, you can work on those problems. If you don't know in which portion, in which corner, in which part you are having problem and you are getting troubling, how you can directly perform in board exam? So analyze yourself, your potential, make your mistakes books and rectify all those mistakes before sitting in examination hall. Are you getting me? Don't leave anything direct to examination. No. I will directly perform in board exam. Yeah, I'm having potential. I can't do anything. No, this is wrong approach. Get rid of this thinking. This is negative thinking, my dear. Are you getting my point? So don't skip steps. Follow the steps, my dear. If you are writing the answer, follow the steps. Forget formulas under pressure. Yes. Because of exam pressure, because of taking huge pressure. You know, you guys are under pressure. I know it happens because we have been like you once upon a time. So I know it happens. But the student who get overcome of this stress, who encounter this stress, who believe in himself or herself, my dear, the student can perform well. So recognize your potential. Are you prepared or not? And stay confident, stay focused. This is just exam. This is just board exam. Only those questions will be there that you have already did in past. You have already practiced all those questions. So you are going to solve the questions again. Make your thinking like this. The question will be the same, that I have already been solved so many questions. So I am fully confident. Right? Nothing is going to be troubling me a lot, and not at all. So because of pressure, this will be there. You'll be start forgetting the formula under pressure, my dear. And because of forgetting the formula, you start thinking, yes, the paper is so difficult. Why? Because you don't know the formula. And how you forget? Why you forget the formula? Because of pressure. So don't take pressure. Trust me, don't take pressure. And panic in first 5-15 minutes. It happens with majority of the student. After getting the question paper, question number 1, oh my god, section number B, section number C, oh my god, the difficulty level is, oh my god, come on, why you are panicking, my dear? All the questions are from your syllabus. No question is from higher standard. If you are thinking the question is going to be out of the syllabus, beyond syllabus, nothing happens. If you go through the past 10 years question paper, every question will be from your syllabus, my dear. But it's all about tackling the pressure, controlling yourself, my dear, your potential, your focus, concentration and everything after getting the question paper. So no need to panic in first 15 minutes. Just go through the question number 1 to the last question and mark the question which is confident to you all. That you seems, yeah, I can do this question first. This is, easy to me. I can solve this question. I have already did this question. Sir has helped me in this question in live session or all. So I can do. So mark all those questions first. All the question which is confident. Now, over attempt. Don't over attempt. Means you are stuck in a question, in a particular question, and you are attempting again and again same question. Why? Due to this, you might lose marks. The question which is comfortable for you, which was comfortable for you, you might leave that question because of lack of time, my dear. So don't over attempt. Don't re-attempt so many times same question. No, don't. Move ahead. Go to the next question, my dear. Don't do this. Are you getting my point? These are very important points. Board examiners is not your enemy. Trust me. They eagerly look to your question paper. If you are writing something, they will give you the marks, my dear. They are not your enemy. Trust me, my dear. They are not your enemy. Okay. Your presentation decides on everything. Of course, your presentation, how you are writing the answer, you are mentioning the steps, you are writing the units, you are encircling, you are boxing the final result or not. So your presentation, your overall neatness of the answer sheet will decide whether how much of marks you are getting in exam, right? So your presentation is very important. Now truth number 4, exam day reality check. Exam day, one of the most crucial day, my dear. Exam day. So what happens on exam day, if I ask you honestly, my dear, from you all, what happens? You have already failed, numerous times because you gave your pre-board exam and unit test and all in your school. So in the examination hall, this will happen. Yes, of course, this will happen with most of the student. I can say everyone. So first section, confidence boost. Stay confident and believe in yourself. Middle section, if you go to the middle section, my dear, time pressure. Oh my God, I don't have time. I have to do so many questions. So many questions are still left. 4 questions are left and the time is half an hour. So it happens. It happens. It starts shuffling in the mind, my dear. It happens. So middle section of the duration in 3 hours, it will happen with the student. Time pressure. And last section, panic. Oh my God, only 15 minutes left. I have to do so many questions. Oh my God, 3 questions are left. So time panicking, my dear. Stay calm. Toppers always stay calm, my dear. They believe in calmness. They believe on their potential, my dear. They never panic. Yeah, sometimes it happens, but they kill that kind of mentality, that kind of thinking, my dear. They used to kill that. So you have to also do. Okay, so middle section time pressure happens. So my dear, don't look to these things. Come on, my dear. Stay calm from beginning to the end. Stay calm from beginning to the end. You must believe in yourself, your caliber, your potential. And what smart students do, what toppers do, attempt easy question first. So I have already told you why CBSE giving you 15 minutes, starting 15 minutes to go through the question from first to last question, so that you guys can decide which question is comfortable to you, confident to you, the question that you can solve easily, so that you guys can decide and mark all those questions. And if you feel a question is, you are confident but still you are having some problem, you can use any other symbol for that. And the question which is toughest, which you seem very difficult, it will take huge time, so mark that you are going to attempt such question at the end, my dear. So priority is very important. So attempt easy question, then you can move to moderate, then you can move to the lengthy one. Okay, leave 10 minutes for rechecking after completing your writing part, after responding each and every question, after completing your answer sheet, rechecking. Come on, go 10 minutes, give 10 minutes for rechecking your answer sheet. You might left a question unattempted or whatever is the problem. You can make your answer sheet more impactful. You can make some improvement in the answer. So rechecking, and draw clean diagram. Diagram matters a lot in board exam. Diagram. Now stop worrying about rumors. Start trusting your preparation. If your preparation is bold, if your preparation is strong, no rumor, no negativity, nothing can impact your result, my dear. So believe in yourself. Stay blessed. Take care of yourself. Thank you so much.